Nau mai koutou. Hi, my name is Madison.
And mā Aotearoa Winton School, I'm Vanessa. Welcome to NEWS News for Rā Mere, the 27th of February.
Okay, Rā Mere is another big day for touch practices.
Yes, could all the Year 1 and 2 teams please meet their coaches at the junior lunch area at 12:45, thank you.
Remember, slopers are on sale today. $1 each, limited to 2 per person. Thank you.
And all your wrappers go in the bins placed around the school.
Keep wearing your high-vis vests. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the text box below.
Okay, let's get into Te Kupu o Te Wiki. This week's word is pirihimana.
That's Te Reo for police officer.
Pew, 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 pew. Kia ora. Okay, it's a big weekend in Winton. Sunday's the 3rd annual fun run.
That's right. 3, 5 or 10 kilometres. Run, walk or bike.
Support Winton Skate Park and represent Winton School by wearing your red sports top.
See you there. Okay, a reminder for all 9 to 12 year old 800 metre and 1500 metre runners to bring their PE kit for the races at 12:30 p.m. on Monday.
Alrighty, no birthdays at Winton School today, but Melissa Duncan turns 12 on Sunday. Happy birthday, Melissa.
And that's all for today. From everyone here at the NEWS team, ka kite te Aotearoa Wiki.
See you on Sunday, Winton School.